Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Deakin University as a student. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar you must type in Deakin account activate. That is Deakin account activate. And then hit go or enter on your keyboard and then tap on the first link. Here you must enter your date of birth along with your Deakin student ID and your course code. These things should be provided to you by your college or university during the time of admission. After you have done this, head over to the search bar one more time, and then over here you must type in Deakin login. That is Deakin University login. And then hit go or enter on your keyboard one more time and then tap on the second link saying login. Here you'll have to enter your email, hit next, and then enter your password that you just registered, and then log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.